The Zoom Flex tent pairs a lightweight, water-resistant canopy with fiberglass legs for a simple setup, making it perfect for use at any outdoor event that requires fast assembly. To ensure quick assembly, we recommend having 2 people involved. First, gather your components to build both sets of poles. Make sure that you take off the clips located on the bottom of the poles and flip them upside down so that the opening of the hook is facing up. Connect the poles labeled 1 through 6 and lay them into an X formation on the ground. Slide the flex pole into the base pole. Next, set the ground stakes to their desired setup area. We recommend making a 9.5-foot square. Align the graphic so the front is facing the desired direction. Use the attached straps to wrap around and secure the graphic to the pole intersection, making it as centered as possible. Hook the corners of the graphic onto all 4 individual poles at the top hook. Wrap the straps around the tubes to secure the graphic in place. Finally, raise the tent by placing their poles into the ground stakes and wrapping the bungee ball around the base of each stake and bottom hook to each base pole, which will secure the tent to the ground.